Present value of a single expected future payoff. Let's walk through this, see what it is explaining, get an interpretation. Let's just say that you needed to have $18,000 3 years from now, and you could earn 6.5% of your money. Like, let's say that there was some corporate bond that you could buy with 4 times a year compounding, so quarterly compounding. The question is, assuming no taxes or anything like that, how much money would you need to invest right here, right now, in order to end with $18,000 in 3 years? And that's what this calculation does for you. It's the present value of a single cash flow. So if you paid $14,000 or you invested $14,834.26 right here, right now, you would end with $18,000 in 3 years with quarterly compounding. If we change it to semi-annual compounding, well, you got to put in a little more. If you put it to annual compounding, a little more. You do it to daily compounding and, a little less, the number falls. Like we had before with the future value example, we've also included this feature with inflation. So if inflation was running at 4.1% a year over the next 3 years, I'm just making that up, but what is that $18,000 payoff that you're sort of anticipating? What's that worth in today's dollars? And it would be worth $15,916.86. Your so-called 6.5% nominal return, or that discount rate that you've applied to that future cash flow, well, it's actually worth 2.31% once you've taken inflation into account. So that's another, just a way to use this tool. Finally, I want to reverse the question and say that you had to be the one making a payment, one single payment out in the future, and you're saying, well, how much do I have to get paid now in order to make that one payoff in the future? So let's just say you were going to borrow money, for instance, for 2 years, and you were going to do it with monthly compounding, and you were going to have to make a $25,000 payment 2 years from now. And let's assume you were using a 7% discount rate. Well, you would have to borrow, or you would get to borrow, or you would require upfront $21,742. Notice the positive sign. That means that money is coming to you today, and you're going to have to pay out $25,000 in 2 years. So that's another very common way in which this tool is used. It's used by banks all the time for determining the amounts that they can lend. So that's kind of special as well.